Hey guys, I thought this was cool. It's a Chinese buffet, but you can see they've got universals here and cove lighting. I don't know what it used to be. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 universals with cane total. And you can't really see the cove lighting from over here. But I thought it was particularly cool. I'll stop back sometime when I have time and try it. Not a huge fan of Chinese buffets, but so you can see, never seen universals in the wild with cane. So, okay, I'll show you from outside too. Just from out here you can see the cove lighting a little bit better. You can see most of it's burned out, but there's still some remaining over there. Okay. Thought that was cool. Thanks for watching.